Hey, welcome back to Two Super Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Vinny.
And this is a big day for me and maybe some other of you out there. Moviepass the CEOs are probably going to go to prison. And that's great because they screwed me so bad along with, Virgin Dylan investing, thought he was a genius. We're going to get into it, but if you invested in Moviepass, just know justice.
Two stupid guys trade stocks.
Did you ever hit this, Vinny?
Moviepass? Actually, I did. I took an intraday little swing on it once, and I made like a couple $100 and got back out. Back when
Yeah.
you were in love with the company.
So that was rhetorical. Me and Vinny were in school, and we were day trading in class. So I should mention, if you're like Dylan, why would you invest in MoviePass? You're an idiot. Yeah, I was. I think this is like my fourth week or whatever of I just entered the stock market, and I'm gonna show you why that's a problem.
Okay.
So one, I'm gonna move Vinny's face here. This is like one of an all-time short squeeze. Like when you see short squeeze, you think Volkswagen and MoviePass. Okay.
Okay.
Now these numbers are a lie. This is chilling at 1,000 going up to 10,000. That's because they've done so many reverse stock splits. In reality, it was $2 to I want to say 38.
Okay. That's about what I remember. I think
yeah.
I traded it maybe in the teens.
Yeah. I'm going to show you what this did. This reiterates the worst thing that can happen to you when you start trading or investing stocks is early, undeserved success. Okay? This is my Robinhood account. All right? It cut off the numbers, but as you can see, this flat line, I only had $1,500 in it. I was super flat. I was kind of just messing around. I was just learning how to invest. I didn't know anything about what I was doing. And then I was like, oh, I like movies. Sweet. So I bought MoviePass at $4 and it just shot up. I had 10x my money. I was like, oh my God, this is so easy. Why doesn't everyone do this?
I was considering quitting school and becoming a full-time day trader.
Yeah, I was like, this is a joke. I just checked my account every day. I'm like, oh, wow, my $2,000 went to 8. This is really easy. And then I leveraged myself. I bought more margin. I'm like, I think it's just gonna keep going up, right? And then you could see, it just friggin' dies, right? So I've learned a lot since then, except for Fubo. But this is easily my worst trade of all time, and it's because I found success so early. Fake success. But basically what's happening is the Fed is accusing MoviePass of fraud based on the plan that MoviePass, which was $10 per month, it was tested sustainable, would be profitable, or break even on subscription fees alone. And just so you remember, MoviePass was you get to see one movie a day for free.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay? It worked. I bought the card. It was wow, I spent $120 on movies this month, and I only paid 10. This is great. I'm like, I don't know how they're doing this. I didn't understand that there's just so much corrupt and fraud, horrible people, right?
Yeah.
Here is the charges, okay? So basically, the Fed is saying that the CEO, Farnsworth and Lowe, knew that this was nothing more than a temporary marketing gimmick to grow new subs, that it was not sustainable. And one of the big things they kept saying is that they were going to use our data based on how many movies we see, all that stuff, and sell it to nearby restaurants or whatever to get us in there before the movie.
Yep.
And turns out they had no means of doing that. They didn't even take steps to do it. They were just saying that. It reminds me of someone.
Is this when Nikola rolled the semi down the hill? Yeah, that's basically what this reminds me of too.
This is Trevor Milton if he started MoviePass, right? Who's also going to get 20 years easy Like, it's not even close. They also say right here, this also happened to me towards the end. The indictment says that executives secretly instructed Moviepass employees to block subscribers from fully utilizing the unlimited plan. Like, you would show up to a movie and be like, yeah, this was declined. You're like, what? I just paid for it. And then they didn't actually have customer service. So you couldn't actually like do anything about it. So, probably no one else cares about this. I want to see them go to prison so bad. So,
Yeah.
Luckily, I think I definitely went negative after that, but some people lost hundreds of thousands of dollars on this. I
Yeah,
probably
no
lost
doubt.
like 5 or 6. So,
Yeah. It's tough. Man. We all have those. But, that Robinhood chart would be well placed on Wall Street bets. That's for sure.
Yeah, I bet. All right, guys. Have a good one.